Hello, so I'm going to do the reading for Sagittarius for this week, and this is from, well, today is Tuesday, so Tuesday the 15th to Sunday the 20th. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it out earlier because I work 2 jobs, so trying to get all the videos done and get everything done is not the easiest. All right, so let's see what the cards have to say for the week for Sagittarius. Yep. Sagittarius. And as always, this is a general reading. This is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm feeling. You may see or feel something differently. You may see more than what I'm saying. I may not catch everything because I watch my videos back and then sometimes I'm like, oh, I should have said that, or so, and that's perfectly fine. This one, Prince of Pentacles, slow, steady movement forward. It could be a loyal friend. It could be someone that you rely on. Not rushing. The High Priestess. Hopefully that's focusing. I know sometimes it goes out of focus. All right, the High Priestess. Listen to your inner voice. Everything may not be clear to you. More to the matter than you know. That's too many. 8 of Swords, yeah. There's something going on around you, but there's more than what you're seeing. But you're making slow, steady progress forward. Feeling restricted by fear, feeling withdrawn. She has a mask over her eyes. A ribbon. It almost looks like it's not a dark mask. I feel like she can see, but her judgment is clouded. And that's what that one represents too. So there's something going on that you're not seeing. King of Cups. King of Cups. He hasn't come out in a while. King of Cups. It could involve a King of Cups. Maybe there's something going on with a King of Cups. There's a situation, but you don't have all the facts. Nine of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups. All right. I'm feeling that you're in a relationship with a King of Cups. Now, this could be a partnership, or for some reason I feel like it could be your father. I don't know why I'm saying this. That may resonate with some people, but I feel like it's a King of Cups Cups are cups are water signs, a Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces, but it doesn't necessarily have to be that sign. It could be somebody with those qualities, and they could have it somewhere in their chart, you know, sun, moon, or rising sign. It could be in there. They could have these qualities, but I feel like you're in a relationship with this King of Cups, and you're working on your relationship and you're making slow, steady progress, but there's still things that you haven't seen. Maybe you can't see the path ahead of you, you know, maybe you're feeling a little frustrated with this relationship with the King of Cups. But I feel like with the Ace of Cups coming out, because that is a aces are new beginnings, so it's a new beginning, and it's a happiness, fulfillment. It also could be renewal in an existing relationship. So that's what I'm feeling. Because look, there's a cup there and a cup there. I feel like you guys are making progress in this relationship, and it's going to turn out to be a really good one, whatever relationship this is. And Nine of Pentacles is financial success and material security, but I just feel like it's saying security. Like, I just feel like the word secure is what's coming up. So yeah, there are some things that you haven't seen, or you're feeling bound by your decision on what you should do, but you are making slow, steady progress towards having this Ace of Cups, this wonderful relationship, this renewal of your relationship with this King of Cups. So that's what I'm feeling. And I also got these Lenormand cards. And it's 45 cards, and they have different scenes on each card, and I have been studying them. But it's going to take me a little time. I did write notes to help me out. But I really like these. Aw, look at that. With all the little birds there. Let's see. Let me just double check. What is this one? This is number 12. It's the birds. Gossip, passing of positive information, announcement, or misunderstanding. Oh. So maybe that's what that means, is it's a misunderstanding that you're having with this King of Cups because you haven't heard all of the information in the situation that you're having with this King of Cups, that you haven't heard everything. All right, so since the reading is so late, let's pick one more Lenormand and see. This is the, I don't know if it's the rider or the messenger. The rider. So this means there's news coming in, there's new things, there's a new cycle and an ending of old ways. So look at that. So there could be, because she's carrying that pack there, there could be an email, it could be a phone call, it could be some sort of message coming in to help you move forward in this relationship with this King of Cups. Because I really feel like there's a new beginning with this King of Cups. Or this could just represent, you know, this important relationship in your life that you're having with someone that you're struggling with. Like I said, it could be a father, it could be a brother, it could be a friend, it could be something, but I feel like if you're having a situation with a person in your life, I feel like it's just a misunderstanding, and that you're going to get a message or a sign that you didn't get all the information, and that you're going to be able to have a good relationship with this person. But it's just going to be slow, steady progress, and it's going to take some time. All right, so that's what I'm getting, and I will see you next time.